Baby Oren,
What's the other?
we're going to read you a book, okay? Kobe's going to read you a book. This book is called Word Book. Okay, Kobe, you going to read?
The end.
The end. Start from the beginning, silly goose. Okay, let's see if we can read it. What does it say? You going to read?
Look. Look.
At? Come on, let's read. Look at
I word book. She said.
good. His. You gonna read?
Some
Mom
mom
gave
gave it to him with his was a boy.
good.
It was a gift from her.
Awesome. Next page.
Okay. We can do all more with the
Good. You don't want to read anymore? How about one more page? One more page.
is
Full.
of words that I like.
Awesome. Good reading. Hi, baby. Hi, Kobe. Say hi, Nana.
Hey, Nana.
I love you. And say, look, Nana, I have shorts on.
And I have a
Just for you.
for you.
Blow kiss. Aww. Can you show Nana how you give baby Oren a kiss? Okay, bye-bye.